Hey guys, Star here. So if you're a social media manager or if you schedule content in HighLevel for your social media platforms, this video is for you. I'm going to show you our in-app notifications so that if any of your social media accounts get disconnected, you are promptly notified. Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. Once you're on the sub-account level, please notice this pink banner at the top that's going to notify you of any social media disconnections. This notification is going to be available on the Launchpad level, as well as dashboard level here on the left-hand side, as well as under Marketing and Social Planner. You can actually see any social media accounts that have been disconnected. Here you can see YouTube, and I have one of 4. So if I just go ahead and click this button here, I also see that TikTok has also expired, as well as LinkedIn and Instagram. So now all you have to do is simply click the reintegrate button, and then you'll be taken to your social planner settings where the status will show expired. You simply go ahead and reconnect these by clicking the reconnect button. So I hope that you enjoy these in-app notifications. This is going to really increase the health of your accounts for both you and your clients. If you've got social media content that's scheduled out, this is going to avoid any interruptions of any scheduled content that you've already worked on. This is an incredible feature that ensures the health of your social media management.